Hey there! Okay, this project is another video and I'm doing this one on this side and this is Counterculture DIY Artist Resin Medium Viscosity. I mixed exact parts A and B and I mixed up about 12 ounces for about 4 minutes and then switched it to a new cup and mixed it another couple of minutes, and so it's been mixed now for probably 10 minutes or so. I took about an ounce or so and added some holographic silver glitter, a little bit of Arteza bubblegum glow, which is kind of an iridescent thing, and you know, it might have a little pink cast, but it's really just holographic. And I have this little thing of holographic powder that is made for fingernails, and so I put some of that in here. So it's very clear but sparkly, which is kind of what I want. And I have a piece of holographic window cling film face up so that you feel the texture. Taped down to a board, and I've sprinkled a bag of glass crystallines around the edge, and then I've added a little bit of Myers Imports white glitter super shards, so they're kind of clear, they almost look like ice crystals, and I mixed them in as well for my barrier. And I don't know if this will work or not to keep the resin from spreading further. I'm hoping it does. So I'm going to pour my resin here in the middle. This is about a 10-inch or so circle. I did put some in the middle, the crystal shards, and then I removed them because I thought, no, I want this to really be all about the holographic imprint that I'm hoping it will make on the underside of it. So this is what I'm aiming for. I saw it somewhere on YouTube or somewhere, so I'm hoping for those results. I don't know if I'll get them. So again, I'm just kind of scraping the resin out to the crystal shards barrier, and I'm hoping it'll kind of combine with these glass shards and the flakes, and I'll have that just a little bit of an edge of shards. I thought about making a dam with caulk like I've done for coasters before, and I thought, well, I'm just going to try using the crystals and see what happens. Now I am going to heat it. And then, you know, where I do have a little spillage, I'm just going to move some crystals around and hope that I can kind of stop that from coming through. I didn't want it to be a perfect circle, so it's kind of irregular, which was my plan. So in areas where I have a little on the outskirts that are not stuck in resin, I'm going to move them around. It would be cool if this really just kind of looked like ice when it's all said and done. That would be cool. Now I'm going to take this and go over the crystals. So it's not a whole lot to look at, but I'm curious to see how it will cure against the holographic plastic. That's what I'm aiming for, is that effect. It may not even work. You may never even see this video if it doesn't work, because I won't show it. But it'll be something I can embellish one way or the other. Alright, so we'll be back in several hours. Okay, so I was not sure this was going to work, and when I went to bed I was really frustrated because it was still flexible and I couldn't peel it off of the holographic window film, but I had, you know, poured the resin on top of the window film but left the paper backing on the back. So I persevered. I waited through the night, but I woke up in the middle of the night and I said, I have just got to see if this is going to work. And I came up and started to peel it, and I thought, no, I got to wait and do it in front of the camera so that everybody can see that it does work. And so on the edges, I've got to probably go back with the little Dremel tool and just kind of clean up the edges a bit, sand them down just because they're a little bit on the rough side. But so you take off the paper backing and you still have the plastic window film that's still attached where you poured on top of it. Okay, so here is peeling away the window film. So I had started and then I wanted to save it to show you. I had seen somebody do this on YouTube, so I know that it worked for them, and I had to make sure and see if it worked for me. And it did, because I really thought I had screwed up. So I'll put a video of this outside where you can see a little better how it is holographic. It may not show very well in this lighting. And it's on both sides, it's holographic. So this can be a serving piece. So yeah, here's the window film, and so I poured the resin on the top side of the window film, and it had a paper backing back here which I pulled off already last night. But then this pulls, when you pull this shiny part away from your resin, it leaves a shiny finish on your resin, plus the holographic effect. It's like an added bonus. So I will take it outside to show you in the sunshine how it looks if it's sunny today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll show pictures at the end, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and pass this on to your friends and share my channel if you would. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it just helps me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.